Shoutout kay Christos Bay, padayon sa imuang mga contents. Kana lang, more followers, subscribers para sa imuang padayon ganda siya.
Welcome to my channel, Christos Bay, and we have a visitors from Germany. Yeah, I know your name, sir.
Mike, you can call me Mike.
Oh, Mike. What brings you here in Philippines, in Cebu?
Yes, I'm here for vacation and for business stuff. It's a mix.
Is this your first time in Cebu, Philippines?
Yes, I'm not in the Philippines. I've been in Manila before, but this is the first time in Cebu, and it's very nice here.
How how was your experience in Manila?
Now, the first time I've been in Manila, it looks very crowded. I've been there in rush hour, and so everything is stuck. It's like in Cebu City, but it's much more traffic there, and there are some beautiful parts. But I love the Cebu City more than Manila.
Okay, my next question is, what is your first impression in Cebu and the Philippines in general?
Once more, please, the question.
What is your first impression in Cebu and the Philippines in general?
It's I don't have one impression, so there are so many impressions. When you come from the western part and come to Southeast Asia, like the Cebu City, there's so many impressions. And this is mostly because of the people and of the streets. I love all that, and this is so nice here in Cebu City. This is what I love.
Okay. Have you tried any local food or visited any local tourists in Cebu?
Look at what?
Have you tried any food, local food or any
Yeah,
or visited any local spot in Cebu?
yeah, that's what I like. I like to go to the eateries and something like that. That's much more interesting for me
Okay.
than going to any restaurant. And I like here in Cologne, all the vendors which are selling the fruits. Those
that's
fruits
true.
are not available in my country. We only have apples and peas, and that's all.
Okay. So how was the experience?
It was, how should I describe it? I like it. I like the chicken adobo. That's what I like so much. And because of the fruits, they are similar to some that I know, but only similar. So it's a nice experience. I always like it.
How about the Cebu lechon? The like of porchita in Italy, something like that. Have you tried Cebu lechon?
Yes, I tried it, but this is what I'm looking forward for this evening because some meters behind us there's the market, which opens in the evening, and I'm looking forward to go to the market because last time I was there was a big lechon, and I don't have money with me, so today I have, and I will go for it.
Don't worry, I will treat you today. I'm joking.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, my next last question is: would you recommend Cebu or Philippines to the other tourists nationality planning to visit the Philippines? Would you recommend?
Of course, I will recommend this. And if you come to Cebu City, go to this place. It's called Cologne. And today, my movie driver told me this is the old part of Cebu City. And there are other places which are recommended from the foreigner people. And they say, oh, go to IT Park, go to Business Park. No, sir, go to Cologne. This is the real Cebu City. I like it here the most.
Any final word for the Filipino people like me or for my channel Christos Bay?
Yes, support this channel and click subscribe for that. And you're welcome here.
Sir, thank you very much for everything, for your time, for sharing your experience in Philippines, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of your stay in Philippines.
Thank
so
you very
much.
much. Thank you.
You're